God gave the Jews, the fathers. And that's why I love Yoruba. Yoruba in their mythology, you will never see Abraham. There is no Isaac. There is no Jacob. The fathers, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Even in the days of Jesus, Jesus told the Sadducees, he said, God is not the God of the dead. He said he's the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Because those men, they didn't die. They are alive. They were the one that God gave the prophet. You will never see Isaiah in the Quran. You will never see Jeremiah in the Quran. Do you know why? It is only Torah that they twisted, that they distorted. You will see Moses, Musa. Any prophet that emerged in the days when God was dealing with the Jews, when Jesus had not come, if there is any other prophet from any land, he's a fake prophet. Fake prophet. He's a demonic prophet.